We are currently on question number 13. Question number 13 says factorize 2y squared minus 15xy plus 18x squared. In factorizing, we need two terms n1 and n2, which will be used in replacing minus 15xy. These two terms have to be in such a way such that the addition of the two terms would give you minus 15xy, which they will replace, and also the multiplication of the two terms should be the same as the product of the first term, which is 2y squared, and the last term, which is 18x squared. So 2y squared times 18x squared will give me 36, numbers multiplying numbers, terms multiplying terms, and arranged in alphabetical order. That will be 36x squared y squared. Now these two terms will add up to give me minus 15xy. Basically, we could just write that as minus 15, and the two terms multiplying will give me 36. So basically, the two terms, if their product gives you a positive number, it basically tells us that both terms have to be both positive or both terms have to be both negative. Now the sum helps us to know that both terms are both negative, since the sum of both terms gives me minus 15. Basically, the terms that will satisfy this condition, which are factors of 36, have to be minus 12 and minus 3. Since minus 12 plus minus 3 will give you minus 15, and minus 12 times minus 3 will give you 36. So basically, we come to realize the terms would have to be minus 12, since minus 12 plus minus 3 would give you minus 15. And we also realize that minus 12 times minus 3 would give you 36. So basically, the two terms that will be used in replacing minus 15xy will be minus 12xy and minus 3xy. So the equation, which was 2y squared minus 15xy plus 18x squared, would therefore become 2y squared minus, the first term is minus 12xy minus 3xy plus 18x squared. We needed those terms such that it would be easier for us to factorize, so that between consecutive terms there's always something common. Like looking at these consecutive terms we have here, we notice 2 is common in 2 and in minus 12. We have a y here and we have a y here. 3 is common in 3 and in 18, and we have an x and we have an x here. So basically we can factorize. So let's factorize. 2 is common, so we bring out 2. Y is common in y squared and in xy, so we take out y. Now when we take out y, what do we have? Taking out 2y from 2y squared would have y. Now taking out 2y from minus 12xy, that will give me minus 6x. Now the last two terms, we have minus 3 is common in both terms, so we'll bring out minus 3. We also notice that we have an x here, we also have an x here, so we'll bring out x. So when we take away minus 3x from minus 3xy, we also have y. And when we take away minus 3x from plus 18x squared, I would have minus 6. So rearranging the terms, bringing the terms in front of the brackets together, I would have 2y minus 3x. Now picking the brackets that are the same, basically in factorization you need to make sure that after factorization you have twin brackets. So picking one of the twin brackets, you have y minus 6x. Now scanning through the options to see if we have that in the option. From the option, looking at option A, we have 2y minus 3x, that can be it. Now let's look at option B. Option B, we have 2y minus 3x into bracket y plus 6x. So after factorization, this corresponds with option B.
Did you enjoy the video? Get a prep class tutor today. Call 080-59-811-502 or 090-3532-1117.